Hey there, amazing kids and parents. Welcome to my channel, the magical world of fun, adventure, and heartwarming animated stories. Get ready for exciting tales filled with talking animals, brave heroes, and valuable life lessons, all brought to life with colorful animations. Subscribe now and join us on an amazing storytelling journey.
Hi, kids. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 20. Are you excited? Awesome. Let's get started. Here is number 11. Can you say 11? Great. Next, we have number 12. Say 12. Now, look at number 13. Say 13. Here's number 14. Say 14. Wow, you're doing great. Now, let's check out number 15. Say 15. Here comes number 16. Say 16. Now, look at number 17. Say 17. Here's number 18. Say 18. Next is number 19. Say 19. And finally, number 20. Say 20. Wow! You learned all the numbers. Now, let's count together from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic job, everyone! You are number experts now. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Yay! Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. Let's make story time unforgettable.